Hello everyone. So I told you that my exams are going on in the previous video. So I've not even touched my bike for a week now. So today we are going for a ride and first we will get it washed. So let's start this video. And what is this? So I had one spare sticker. So only one sticker was used when I had the accident on the right side. On the left side one was with me. So I used it. So tell me in the comments how it is looking. So let's start this video.
Just look at the bike, how dirty it is. See how dirty. So first we will be going for the wash, and fuel level is also very low, so we'll have to go to the petrol pump also. So we are here at the washing center. Now we will get the bike washed.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So the bike has been washed now. Riding a clean bike is something else. It's a lot of joy. So now I will be going to the petrol pump because you can see low fuel level. And one thing you should all note is that if your bike is fuel injected, then you should never run it on low gas, because then the injector can get damaged if the fuel level gets really low, or if the fuel is not there at all, so the fuel injector will get damaged. So if your bike is fuel injected, never keep it fuel level really low. So whenever the last bar goes off, I go and get the fuel filled again. The guy behind me was getting angry because I got the fuel filled first, but he came first, so he was getting angry कि तुम लोग पहले मेरे को क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो. But I did not say anything. I was waiting for him to get his fuel filled first. I did not say anything, but then the salesman only came to me and asked कितने का डालना है. Let it be. So I wanted to tell you guys one thing, and that is from now on in my videos I will be using Hindi in certain places where I think Hindi will make it more fun, make the video more interactive, because sometimes saying the same thing in English does not appears to be more funny, but if you say the same thing in Hindi, it becomes something else. Okay, now I will be using Hindi in certain places, and you guys also have been commenting that why don't you make videos in Hindi. So let's give it a try. I will use it in certain places, not all the time, because फिर मज़ा नहीं आएगा. See, I've started using it. कॉलेज क्यों गया था? कॉलेज क्यों गया था? अभी कितना पढ़ोगे? PL is going on and he went to the college to study in the library. मतलब इन लोगों को घर में तो पढ़ाई होती नहीं है. इतनी धूप में कौन जाता है कॉलेज? वही बस से. So yeah, as I was saying, अब थोड़ी हिंदी भी यूज़ करेंगे. You guys will also know something like जबलपुरिया भाषा कैसी है, because I don't know how much accent I have of this Jabalpuriya Hindi, but I think it will be fun. My exams are going on, but the next exam is on 24th. Today is 19th. प्रीवियस एग्जाम वाज ऑन 17, तो सबको पता है अब क्या होगा। पढ़ाई तो लास्ट नाइट ही होती है, so rest of the days I will be doing something else, like today I am making a video, so पढ़ाई के अलावा सब होगा। पढ़ाई छोड़ के बाकी सारी चीज़ें करूँगा। एंड लास्ट डे आई विल बी इन अ लॉट ऑफ टेंशन कि इतने दिन थे बाकी दिन क्यों नहीं पढ़ा। इट्स ओके, इंजीनियरिंग का यही तो मज़ा है। एंड यू नो one thing, that because of this Hindi I can introduce people to you, because whenever I put the camera on someone's face, they get really shy and they are not able to speak because they think my channel is like more of a English channel, so they don't speak up. But when I will ask questions to them in Hindi, they will also be comfortable with it. अब बस एक चीज़ देखना, signal like it's 22 seconds left and everyone will leave when it will be 5 seconds left. ये भाई साहब तो निकल गए, just wait, हाँ 5 and they have started moving. अच्छा 5 पे नहीं निकले but 2 पे तो निकल गए ना, green होने से पहले निकल जाते हैं। In Jabalpur we have signals like when there's 5 seconds left, you can go, no one will stop you and everyone goes. So we have a little modern signal system in Jabalpur. Between exams, riding, so much fun, because whenever I go for a ride between exam की तो टेंशन ही भूल जाता हूँ। And then when I get back home, I remember अरे एग्ज़ाम भी है अभी। अब ये देखो, I will tell you one incident. Once I was going to my college and I crossed medical. There's a medical college in Jabalpur. So after I crossed that college, as I crossed that college and I was on the way to my college, there was one auntie and she was going like, I'm looking forward, whoever comes, I don't care, I will die or cross the road. There were only 2 options for her and she was like going, everyone was honking and she was not listening to anyone. मैं भी उस दिन भिड़ ही जाता उनसे, बस इतने से बच गया। And the thing is in India that no one cares कि गलती किसकी थी। If you hit a female, then you will die. Always be careful and ride safe. And one thing I want to ask you all, is this Hindi thing good or should I stop it from this video onward? So tell me this in the comment section. Tallest building in Jabalpur, it's like 14-15 floors. अच्छा, अब मेरे पास और कुछ है नहीं कहने के लिए, so I will take a U-turn now and I will head back home. So soon, I'm telling you one thing, soon I will be uploading a video for Apache 160, the new one, which looks like the 200. Okay, so I will soon be uploading a video for that. And also I was waiting for the Apache RR310. I always say that bike Akula because it was that concept name. So Akula was a really good name. Why they named it Apache, I don't know. It goes with the lineup, okay, but Akula was a better name. So I was waiting for that bike. Still it is not here. The showroom guys are telling me that in MP the supply is not there now because of some rules or regulations. In the whole MP there is no Apache in any showroom. So I was like, but why? The deliveries have started so long back and still there is not a single piece here in Jabalpur. So अब उस बाइक का तो वीडियो बनाना मतलब कुछ रहेगा ही नहीं, because there are so many videos out there कि अब अगर मैं कोई वीडियो डालूँगा तो उसको उतना रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलेगा. But still I will see, if I get my hands on one I will surely make a video. And 160 का तो बनाना ही है, so day after tomorrow or tomorrow I will make it. So yeah, now I will be heading back home and जो क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं उसके आंसर्स प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में दे देना. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope you people like this video. Hope you people like the new Hindi English version of the video. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't till now, and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified about my each and every video. And comment down below. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस तो 3 बार बोल दिया मुझे लगता है. ठीक है.